Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Eevee from Pokemon. So grab your marker and follow along with me. With Eevee we're going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to draw two tear-shaped eyes. I'm going to start here at the top and I'm going to make it down. I'm going to make sort of a bell like this. And I'm going to copy it right here on the other side as well. I'm going to start on the top and I'm going to just bring two lines down. And then at the bottom we're going to connect it with a curve on both sides. Now it's time for the pupils. So I'm going to draw a big pupil going down, and on the top we can draw a little light reflection, and we'll do the same on this side as well. On the top with a little light reflection, and let's fill the pupils in. Now right between the eyes, we're going to draw a little nose. And I'm going to draw the nose a little bit different from the original cartoon. I'm just going to draw a little full nose. And I'm going to make a little light reflection at the corner. And I'm going to color the nose in as well. Now right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. I'm going to draw a line up. And on this side, I'm going to draw another line up. I'll make it round on top. And I'm going to fill it in as well. And let's do it from this side as well, and fill it in. Now right below the nose we're going to draw the mouth, and it's sort of a smile. So on both sides I'm going to draw little hooks, and now I'm going to connect them. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a nice wave like so. Now it's time for the jawline. So we're going to start here at the top. So first of all, I'm going to do again. I'm going to start next to the eye. I'm going to make a nice curve on this side. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Nice curve. Try to copy them. They don't have to be exact. And now we're going to connect the two lines. We're going to take it all the way around. And connect it there as well. And then on top we're going to draw the ears. Now a little bit ahead above that I'm going to draw a few pieces of hair, and I'm going to connect it to the head. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to start here on top. I'm going to draw a few strands of hair and connect it back to the head. Now it's time for the ears. I'm going to draw the inner ear first, the inside of the ear. And I'm going to start on top of that hair, just make it all the way around, and then here you can make it a nice curve going back. So we're going to draw it up and straight out. Now let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start here and on top, and I'm going to take it up, do the same thing, and I'll just bring it all the way around and connect it. Now we can draw the outer ear, the outside of the ear. So I'm going to start right there, and I'm just going to draw it out, and I'm just going to be very careful not to touch the inner ear. There we go. And you're going to connect it like that. And we can do it on this side as well. So I'm going to start maybe right here so I can see my line, so I can follow my line like this. I'm going to make it nice and round, take it back, and connect it to the head. And now we can do the hair on top. Now there's sort of wavy hair standing up here on Eevee. So I'm just going to make a few hair standing up like waves. And then maybe a last one. And I'm going to connect it to the head. There we go. Now we're going to start with the body. There's a mane of hair, almost like a lion. I'm going to start here on the side, and I'm just going to draw a little line out. And on this side, I'm maybe just going to draw a curvy line out there as well. And with this one, let's take it back, and let's do both sides. And on this one, I'll take it back as well, like that. And now we're going to make it nice and round. So what I will do, I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to make two lines down, And on this side, I'm going to make a line down, a longer line. And now, look what I'm doing. I'm going to make the first piece of hair, and I'm going to make it standing out like this. And now from this direction, we're going to work back. Let me show you. So we're going to bring a piece of hair back, another piece of hair back, and then right here, I'll just make another piece of hair and connect it there. Now let's do the same on this side. So we'll start here, you bring a piece back, another one. Doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but you get the idea. So there we go, like that. And there's the mane. Next up, the legs, the front legs to be exact. So I'm going to draw a little leg down in the middle, and I'm going to draw a toe. 1, 2, 3 toes. And on this side, let's do the same thing. We're going to start there. 1. So this leg is behind this leg. 2, 3 toes. Great. And now right here, we're going to connect them. There's the front leg, and there's the other front leg. Now we're going to do the hind legs. So the first thing I'll do is maybe draw 1, 2, 3 toes. 1, 2, 3 toes. We're going to take it all the way to the top, like that. And on this side, let's do the same thing, all the way to the top. There we go. And now we're going to connect it. But just above this leg or this toe, you're going to make a round shape back. And on this side, you're going to do the same thing. Make it nice and round to make it back. And now you're going to connect it. And you see there we have the hind legs. And last up, time for the tail. I'm going to start right here next to the head. So I'm going to draw a little curve like this. And then from there, I'm drawing another line. I'm taking it up. And let's do another one. Here we go. 2 of those. And now I'm going to make it nice and round. And I'm going to make it roughly about here to the toe. There's my mark. And I'm going to make it nice and round back because it's a thick, bushy tail. There we go. And lastly, I'm just going to draw a little bit of a shape here. And that's going to be the different colors that we're going to use to draw Eevee. And there we go. And there's Eevee. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.